This video will cover the basics of coding a document in NVivo. Coding lets you gather all the material about a theme, event, person, or place. Let's look at how you go about coding a document. There are many different approaches you can take. For example, if you have a list of themes that you want to explore in your material, you could start by creating a container for each of those themes. These containers are called nodes in NVivo and are stored in the codes area. I'm going to start by heading to the themes folder we created in the previous videos. Now that I'm here, I can click on the Create tab and select Node. I'm going to enter a name for this. You can also add a description. This is definitely useful and can help you clarify the meaning of a node later on. Click OK. I could then continue to create nodes for the themes in my list. In this case, I'm going to create one more. And click OK. Let's open an interview document to code. To turn on the coding stripes in the ribbon, click on the Documents tab, select Coding Stripes and Recent Coding. This way you will get a confirmation of your coding as you code. To display the nodes, I can head to the Nodes area underneath Codes. I'm going to click on the Themes folder so that I can see the nodes I created previously. As you read through the text, you see a passage you want to code to the node Real Estate Development. To achieve this, all you have to do is select the passage, then drag and drop it to the relevant node. The coding stripe shows that you have coded. You can continue reading through the document and coding passages to the nodes. When you're coding, you can also create nodes as you need them. For example, I'd like to code this passage to a new node called Habitat. So all I need to do is select the text, right-click over it and select Code. Then I need to click on the folder I want to put the new node in. Click New Node and enter the name. When I click OK, I can see the coding stripe for the new node. By the way, you can also code or uncode using the options in the Document tab. NVivo gives you some easy ways to explore and review your coded material. Watch the next video to find out more.